nurse or lab technician looking to migrate to Australia. So I'm going to discuss A to Z information regarding this. But if you are from any other field as well, for example, you are a doctor or dentist, stay tuned. I mean, you also can ask the questions if you have any at the end of this webinar. Okay. So, Abhi, I will discuss first for regarding the nursing professionals and NCLEX exam for them, and this AIMS exam for lab technicians. Okay. So this is about us academically. So we are a Australian EdTech, as you know. So I'm talking to you guys from Sydney, Australia. So we have an office in Sydney. So if anyone joining from Sydney, you can come to office and meet me at any time in the morning, specifically. So we basically provide A to Z assistance for all healthcare professionals like medical, doctor, dentist, pharmacists, nurses, physiotherapists, um, lab technicians, veterinary doctor, optometrist, so any healthcare professional looking to migrate to Australia are looking to register themselves by certified practitioner in Australia. You want to practice here, you want to work here, you want to settle in Australia. So that is a general steps you need to complete. The first step we can say is called document verification or initial skill assessment by the certain body. For example, if you are a nurse, in that case, you need to do this with APRA, the part one, then you try this NCLEX exam, then English, then OSCE, then come to Australia. Same for lab technician, like AIMS exam you tried. So document verification, then exam you tried, then English exam. So these are the common steps for all healthcare professionals, those are looking to migrate to Australia. So we assist basically to the information, the assistance like your document verification will provide the coaching for you to pass the exam, then English coaching for you. So, and all these steps you can complete and come to Australia. So this is about me. So my name is Dr. Akram Ahmad. So I'm an Indian pharmacist, completing my diploma in pharmacy, bachelor of pharmacy, doctor of pharmacy from India, and PhD from University of Sydney in Australia. I have around 10 years of teaching experience in India, Malaysia, in Australia for pharmacy students, especially I'm the expert of clinical pharmacology and public health subjects. And the last 6 years, I'm basically helping for all healthcare professionals to create awareness among them to migrate to Australia. So first, we are going to discuss regarding the NCLEX or the registered nurse who are looking to migrate to Australia. So this NCLEX exam, basically, if you are looking to migrate US, Canada, and Australia. So these three countries, if you want to practice, if you want to register nurse, if you want to work there, if you want to get registration, and in that case, you need to write this NCLEX exam. NCLEX stands for National Council for Licensure Exam. Basically, this exam earlier conducted by the only US. Later on, is adopted by the Canada, now Australia also. It is an exam conducted to qualify nursing graduates who wish to work as a registered nurse in the US, Canada, and Australia. So any overseas qualified registered nurse want to work in Australia, Canada, or US, they need to write this NCLEX exam. The primary aim of this objective for this NCLEX exam is to assess the fundamental knowledge, skills, and capabilities required for safe and professional nursing practice at the entry level. So these are we have very highly experienced faculty for this NCLEX exam, Kavita Garg and Dr. Neha. So why choose Australia? So as I mentioned, as a registered nurse, you can migrate to US, Canada, and Australia. But why Australia? So Australia provides PR visa, permanent visa, 190,000 permanent visa, and very easy to get this visa for you as a registered nurse. And currently there is 12,000 vacancies available for registered nurses, and the salary is very, very good. I can say 83,000 Australian dollar per year you can make as a registered nurse. And if you see here, the top 20 occupations, and the high demand. So nursing on the number one. Okay, so they need a lot of nurses, and you can see, divided around 14% growth they need they need more nursing professionals every year. You can see this is the data from seek.com.au. This is the number one website in Australia if you are looking for any job. Okay, so these are the job vacancies that are available right now in Australia. Around like 12,000 around, and 14% is the growth, and this is the on average salaries, and job satisfaction is very good, 3.9 out of 4. So there are some other advantages to migrate to Australia, like free education for your kids and healthcare access. So if anything happened to you or your family members, so no need to worry. You will get the free treatment in Australia, and education also free, as I mentioned, and professional development. So as a registered nurse, if you want to do some course, or you want to do some research, you want to attend some workshop, so they highly encourage to do so for you. And work-life balance, you just need to work 38 to 40 hours weekly, and 5 days, 8 hours per day for 5 days you need to work. You will get a lot of time to yourself, your family. And career opportunities, there is a high demand for nurses in Australia, along with perks such as instant PR and work visa for registered nurses. Quality of life obviously is very high, and I mentioned that salary is also very good in Australia. So what is the eligibility up to migrate to Australia? So you must completed your BSc nursing, 4 years degree, plus you must be a registered nurse in your home country. So these are the two basic requirements to start your process for Australia. So for exam, this exam you can write in Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, New Delhi, and Mumbai. These are the exam centers in India. If you are from any other countries, you can see, have a look in your own countries, And so basically, this exam anytime you can write whenever you are ready, so you can get the date. Getting date is not the problem for the NCLEX exam. So these are the steps you need to complete in order to migrate to Australia, in order to register yourself as a registered nurse in Australia. The first step called initial skill assessment. This is basically a document verification. We will help you to complete this. No need to worry. And number two, basically, you need to go for NCLEX exam. So this is a multiple choice based questions, and we will give you a 3-month live classes, live coaching for you. So easily you can pass this exam. And then you need to pass English tests like IELTS, OET, PT, or TOEFL you can give. But Australia does not basically accepting that now this TOEFL for visa purpose. So you only need to go for IELTS, OET, or PT. But TOEFL, in case if you want to work in US, then TOEFL is for you. Okay. So US और कनाडा में तो टॉफल चल जाएगा, but if you want to work in Australia, then IELTS, OET, or PT, any test you can keep. And so these 3 steps you can complete in your home country, and this one you need to be in Australia to complete this process. And then you can become a registered nurse. So again, these are the documents required here. Look, degree, transcript, work experience. If you have any work experience, is not mandatory. If you have any, you can show valid passport, government ID proof, passport photograph, and nursing registration also is mandatory. So IELTS required 7-band individual or PT 65, or OET required grade B or 350 out of 500. So the maximum question they will ask around 150, and minimum questions 75. So this is based on how you are given the answer. Based on that, they will give you the answer. And this is around 6 hours exam, maximum hours. Every 2 hours you will get the break, and no negative marking for this exam. And we will provide you the preparation for 4 months, 3-month coaching, then revision for 1 month. So academically provide live classes plus recorded. So if you miss any class, in that case, you will get the recorded session. And secondly, we will provide you the study material, and then we will also provide you the mock test. So mock test, we will give you the topic-wise mock test, and also will give you the lot of grant tests as well. So for your preparation, you will get a lot of preparation on our system. So this preparation, these these questions, you can as many times you want, you can practice basically 5 times, 10 times, 1 time, whatever time you want, you can unlimited time for you to practice in our portal. And we have a basically dedicatedly community portal called Discord. So at any time you can ask a question if you have any from our faculty, and I'm also there always to help to students. The fees, our team will give you the more information, but this is the fixed fee for you, so you can have a look this. Now I can this is the last slide for the nursing professional. Now we will go for the lab technicians. Then I will take to your question one by one. Okay. So any lab technician, they completed their degree, BSc MLT or BMLT, they are eligible to sit in this exam. Okay. But the condition, you must have a 2-year work experience. Nursing professional does not require any work experience. Nursing वालों को जॉब एक्सपीरियंस नहीं चाहिए. जीरो एक्सपीरियंस पर भी वो आ सकते हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में एग्जाम में बैठ सकते हैं, पास कर सकते हैं. मगर lab technician required 2-year work experience after the completed degree. After degree complete करने के बाद उसी का experience चाहिए होगा के लिए. So this exam, any overseas qualified lab technician want to practice in Australia, want to register themselves as lab technician, laboratory medical scientist, then they need to write this exam. So this is our faculty, Dr. Amanullah Khan, MBBS MD Pathology, and Dr. Ghazala, she is MBBS MD in Biochemistry. So why choose Australia? Again, 1,000 visa and vacancies a lot available for lab technicians, and salary also around the same 2,000 for lab technician as well. You can see the salary here. Same as I mentioned earlier. The exam centers, basically, in India, there's one exam center only in Delhi. So this is conducted twice. This exam they conduct 2 times in a year, March and September every year. Okay, and this is they will ask you 150 questions, multiple choice questions, and minimum 80 questions you need to correct. Okay, or there's a 3-hour time they will give to you. So eligibility for this required bachelor degree in MLT. So if you have any other degree, it is not eligible. For example, you have maybe in biochemistry, microbiology, or you have in biotechnology, and you are working in this field 10 years, 15 years, still you are not eligible. They want to see your degree must be in the MLT, and after that you must have 2-year work experience. Then only you can apply for this. And also, the first step, you need to pass first English test. In nursing professional does not require English first. They can pass the English after the NCLEX. But here, first you need to pass the English, then you need to apply for skill assessment, then exam. So first you need to pass English test, IELTS, OET, PT, or then basically skill assessment, then AIM professional exam. And then once you pass this exam, directly you can apply PR visa and come to Australia. So there is no exam for you in Australia. For nursing professionals, they need to come to Australia, write the OSCE exam, Part 2 exam, clinical exam, practical exam. But lab technician does not require to write any other exam in Australia. So एक ही exam है, and this also you can pass from your home country and come to Australia. So degree, transcript, and birth certificate, valid passport, all these same 3 documents required होंगे इसके लिए भी. Same for IELTS and PT में 65 चाहिए IELTS में, ठीक. आप 7 individual bands. So इसमें 150 questions होते हैं, and there is 3-hour time, and 80 questions you need to correct. and minimum 50% score करना होगा basically आपको, and no negative marking, so you need to attend all these questions. We will again provide you the coaching for four months for this AIMS exam. And once you pass this, completed this, then you are eligible to apply 189, 186. So this is visa or nursing professional also same, lab technician, because both occupations are in the long-term shortage list. So you are eligible to apply 189, 186 or 190 visa also you are eligible. सॉरी यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया गाइस, तो यहाँ ये है 190, ठीक है, 189, 186, 190 और 491 visa, 494, 482, these are also visa you are eligible, ठीक है. So academically basically will help complete your skill assessment, your exams, will provide you coaching to pass, English coaching to pass. We'll also provide you the support for visa and jobs as well. So fees, again, our team will give you the more information. You can connect with them. Yeah, there are some of the basically highlights from the media in general. So Economic Times, Hindustan Times, Outlook, and all those things, you can have a look here. The Google reviews you can check. And we also providing the, if you are an Indian citizen, then you will also have a chance to go for EMI option or loan basically we provide. You can pay the fees in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months without paying any interest rate. Or we also have a scholarship. The scholarship is for everyone. So you can connect to our team. Okay. So you can basically WhatsApp at any time on these numbers. And yes, email us and visit our website. And this is our address in Sydney, Australia. Yes, thank you. So we can talk to, like, if you have any questions, you can ask. Yes, Sunidhi?
Yes, sir. So, guys, I'm calling out the name and then you can come one by one. So,
Yes.
the first name would be Muhammad Kalimullah. Please come ahead and ask your question.
So this is our basically my channel basically on YouTube. So I always make videos, for you to guidance, so you can follow this channel on YouTube.
Muhammad Kalimullah, are you here?
हाय अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Yes.
ये टैक्स सिस्टम क्या है इधर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, इसके बारे में पूछना था थोड़ा सा.
टैक्स?
जी जी टैक्स सिस्टम. मैं दुबई में हूँ इस वक्त.
नहीं, आप इंडिया में हो, पाकिस्तानी हो?
मैं पाकिस्तान से हूँ लेकिन दुबई में अभी जॉब कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, तो टैक्स जो होता है इन जनरल मोस्ट ऑफ द कंट्रीज में सेम होता है. इंडिया में और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में टैक्सेस सेम ही है. इन जनरल जितना आप अर्न करते हो उसके उस पर टैक्स लगता है. तो इन जनरल यहाँ पर 18 to 28% के बीच में टैक्स कटेगा आपका.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू.
और आपकी अगर सैलरी हाई होगी तो ज्यादा कटेगा. तो अगर आपकी 100,000 तक रहेगी सैलरी तो उसके हिसाब से आपका 28% तक कटेगा.
ओके ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
और उससे कम होगा तो 18% कटेगा. तो वो बेसिकली वो डिपेंड करता है कितनी आपकी अर्निंग है.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू.
Good evening. Is Muhammad Arif Khan. Please, Muhammad Arif Khan, come ahead and ask your question. Muhammad Arif Khan, are you there?
Yeah, hello. Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, actually, my name is Arif Khan, and my question is, actually, I completed my GNM in 2013. And then recently, in last year, I completed my post-basic BSc, if you are aware of this degree. So what I'm asking is that I'm still waiting for my degree certificate, but I do have my provisional certificate with me. So can I apply for the documentation verification before?
Yes, you can if you are registered nurse in your home country. तो अगर आपने BSc पोस्ट बेसिक नर्सिंग जो आपने किया है, यू मस्ट ऐड
Okay.
योर एप्लीकेशन आपके नर्सिंग काउंसिल में जाके। अगर हो गया है तो then you are eligible.
Yeah. So Isha, please come ahead and ask your question. Isha. Isha, are you there? Okay, so next, Bilit Birhanu, please come ahead and ask your question.
Hello, everyone.
Bilit Birhanu, please come ahead and ask your question. Bilit, are you there? Pritisha, please come ahead and ask your question. Pritisha Maria.
Hello.
Pritisha, are you there?
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am. My question is, before completing our 2 years of work experience, can we write this exam?
No. Experience is mandatory for lab technician.
No, like I have completed my this BSc. Now currently I'm working. It's been 1 year, 2 months something.
2 साल
Before
100 है। जब 24 महीने हो जाए तब 100 करना। There is
okay, I have
no
to
short.
complete.
Yes.
Okay, so then I have to complete 2 years properly.
Yes, must. 2 साल का experience mandatory. Without this, you can't make exam.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pritisha. Pulash Baida, please come ahead and ask your question. Pulash.
Hello, ma'am. Namaste.
Namaste.
I am a completed diploma in medical technologist, laboratory medicine. I came from Australia for lab technician. Is eligible for?
It is required. Minimum BSc MLT or BMLT only required, not diploma. Diploma is not eligible.
Hello, ma'am.
Got your answer, right? Guys, I request you all to please be on mute so that, everything runs smoothly. It will create a little mess. So please be on mute. I will call out your name and then you can come ahead, unmute yourself and answer your question. Till then, I would remind you to please share your email address with phone number and country code in the chat box so that our team can connect with you one-on-one. Yeah, so next up, Deji Arun, please come ahead and ask your question. Deji Arun, are you there? Chirag Kamra, please come ahead and ask your question. Chirag Kamra.
मैम मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन था, जब हम NCLEX क्वालिफाई कर लेते हैं और आइल्स भी क्वालिफाई कर लेते हैं और हमें ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए उसकी के लिए जाना है, तो हम टूरिस्ट वीजा पे जाते हैं या वर्क पे, मतलब कैसे होता है थोड़ा सा?
टूरिस्ट वीजा पे आप आओगे. You can come on tourist visa or study visa, whatever. In general, you will come on tourist visa. You can write that exam.
टूरिस्ट वीजा लगने के चांसेस कैसे होते हैं सर? जैसे इंडिया में अगर हम
आप एग्जाम पास कर लोगे तो फिर वो उसी की बेस पे आपको वीजा मिलेगा, वो टूरिस्ट वीजा.
तो मतलब वीजा के चांसेस हैं टूरिस्ट पे?
यस. वो आप घूमने नहीं आ रहे ना, एग्जाम देने आ रहे हो तो चांसेस रहेगा, बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी पास द एग्जाम. हेलो. In general, अगर आप ऐसे अप्लाई करते हो, if you are applying like this, like if you want to come to Australia, there is a very low chance. But once you pass the exam and then you are applying for visit visa, then there is a high chance.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, Jobby, please come ahead and ask your question. Jobby. Jobby, are you there?
Yes. Audible?
Yes.
Sir, my question is that there is a gap issue recently 1 year, so it's eligible for write the exam.
Yes. So if you have 2-year experience in last 5 years, you are eligible to write the exam.
Okay. And okay, one more question. This one for the AIMS exam, we can write it at home or there is an exam center is there?
Basically, yes. Actually, this is you need to write from your home only. But I think
Okay.
this new PPT prepared by our team, so they mentioned there's example. I need to check basically. But earlier it was, you can write this exam from your home only.
Yeah, that's fine. So any updation is not there for that? Nothing is there, right?
Yes. No need to worry. If anything, we
Okay. And
will
one more.
Yeah.
Okay. One more thing for my spouse is a nurse. So who should prefer more to write this all this?
I mean, both are equal. You and your wife, both occupations in the long-term shortage list. I can say both of you are lucky. Like dentists, pharmacists, even medical doctors, they are not in that list. So you will get the visa first. And I can say more chance to your wife.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, Joby. Yeah, Golam Kabir, please come ahead and ask your question. Golam Kabir.
Yes, can I ask my question?
You are next, Isaac. So please wait. You are next. After Golam, you can ask your question.
हेलो
Yes, Golam.
मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ कि मैं BSc MLT कंप्लीट किया हूँ, तो मैं दुबई के लिए जाना चाहता हूँ, तो उसके लिए क्या एक्सपीरियंस मैंडेटरी है?
नहीं, DH की नहीं, अभी मैंडेटरी है, वो हटा दिया गया एक्सपीरियंस. You can apply for DH दुबई.
अच्छा, तो आफ्टर दुबई के लिए कितना फीस या कितना होगा?
वो तो हमारी टीम से कॉन्टेक्ट करो, वो बताएंगे आपको. पर इन जनरल अराउंड 2 लाख करीब खर्चा होगा पूरा A to Z प्रोसेस करने में.
अच्छा, ठीक, थैंक यू.
Yeah, Isaac, you can ask your question.
Okay, so hi everyone. I'm in Ghana, and Ghana is an English-speaking country officially. So the university that I completed, I have an English proficiency letter from the university. Do I still need to write the IELTS?
Yes, first of all, English-speaking country only they consider US and UK, and rest of the world you need to write the exam.
But okay. I have English proficiency letter from the university that
It doesn't matter. You are from African countries. It doesn't matter. You are not from US. If you are a US citizen, no need to write this proficiency test. If you are going to get a admission in the university, they might give you the waiver. But here, you are applying for your registration. There you must the letter. I mean, you must pass the exam.
Okay. So the second question, I have 4 years experience in medical laboratory technology. That is diploma, but I did a top up to gain my BSc. That was last year, which is 1 year experience. Can I still apply?
No, after BSc, 2 year experience need. So you need to wait 1 more year.
Okay, so the diploma, 4 years experience diploma has nothing to do with it.
No, they will not count. But we can show basically that experience, but it might you will get the negative outcome. So I do not want to take the risk. So wait 1 more year, then you can apply.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Thank you, Isaac. Asif Ibrahim, please come ahead and ask your question.
Good evening, sir. My name is Asif Ibrahim and I am from Kashmir, India.
I have a question.
Okay. Yes, Asif.
Sir, I have completed my BSc MLT in 2016. After that, in 2017, I got a job. Right now, I have 5 plus years experience. सर अभी जो मुझे इशू आ रहा है सर ये है कि मैंने इससे पहले भी कांटेक्ट किया था एकेडमिकली, तो सर अभी जो वो फीस स्ट्रक्चर वहाँ पे है तो मैं अफोर्ड नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी सर इतना में.
तो वो तो गवर्नमेंट का फीस तो देना ही पड़ेगा. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में वट एवर द फीस यू आर पेइंग, दिस इज 2 मंथ का भी फीस नहीं है
जी.
अगर आप यू नीड टू सी दैट कि आप यहाँ आ गए 1 साल में आप कितना अर्न करोगे? 50 लाख.
मैं सर वही
5 लाख रुपए लग रहे हैं आपके.
सर सॉरी सर मैं बीच में बात कर रहा हूँ सर. मैं इतना चाहता हूँ कि अभी आपने जैसे पहले आपने कहा था कि जो हम लोन भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं वहाँ पे जो भी यहाँ पे पीटी है या स्किल असेसमेंट,
फर्स्ट ऑफ सुनो वो हम नहीं करते. वो एक कंपनी है इंडिया में, ईडियो वंस, उनसे हम करवाते हैं। तो वो आपका चेक करेंगे, इफ यू आर एलिजिबल डेफिनेटली दे कैन। तो आप हमारे टीम से कांटेक्ट करो, वो देखते हैं लाइक आपका वो क्रेडिट स्कोर वगैरह वो लोग चेक करते हैं। अगर आपका सब सही है वो आपको लोन करेंगे। आप अपना वो नंबर छोड़ दीजिए ईमेल चैट बॉक्स में, तो वी विल कनेक्ट यू। अरिंदम, ये आसिफ इब्राहिम को केस देखना जो है लोन के लिए।
Sure, sir. मैंने उसका नोट कर लिया. I will convey this to Arindam, sir. So next up is Saza Fatima. Please come ahead and ask your question. Saza, Shaza.
So good evening, sir. My question is, you mentioned 2 years work experience. So the 2 years work experience, should it be from same clinic or hospital, or can it be from different clinic or hospital?
It can be different. Doesn't matter.
So can it be like 6 months from one particular clinic and then again 6 months from another particular clinic and then 1 year different clinic?
Yes, yeah, it can, but it will be a problem for you if you are showing too many experience. 6 months of experience तो होता नहीं है, ठीक है। आप 3 जगह का दिखाओगे, they will inquire 3 places, और 3 जगह में से अगर किसी ने भी एक बंदे ने रिप्लाई नहीं किया तो आपका नेगेटिव आ जाएगा। अगर आपके 4 भी आप दिखा सकते हो, डजंट मैटर, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। और प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पर है कि 4 में से अगर किसी बंदे ने रिप्लाई, वो बिकॉज दे विल वेरीफाई कि आपने कहाँ काम किया, कौन मैनेजर था, आपने क्या काम किया है ना। तो किसी ने अगर रिप्लाई नहीं किया तो आपको प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, पर आप दिखा सकते हो, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Saza. Asma Praveen, please come ahead and ask your question. Asma Praveen.
Hello. Yes, Asma.
When is my time coming? Oi.
Siamini, please, I would request you to wait for your turn and then I will call out your name. Till then, Asma Parveen, if you're here, please ask your question. Okay, Haseem. Haseeb, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please ask your question.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Haseeb.
Sir, I am a BSc MLT graduate. Can I apply the exam starting from provisional degree certificate?
2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है या नहीं, पहले से ये बताओ।
Experience can be made starting from provisional degree certificate.
Yes. So 2 year experience is mandatory after your provisional degree.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So for
Thank you.
Experience is mandatory. There is no, you cannot escape. Experience is mandatory for 2 years. Then only you can apply.
Thank you, sir. Guys, I would also request you all to scan this QR code, which you can see on your screen. This is the QR code of WhatsApp channel. You can scan it and join our WhatsApp channel for all the latest updates and information regarding all the courses. Moving forward, Vijay Gupta, if you're there, please come ahead and ask your question.
Hello, good evening, sir. Hello.
Yes, good evening.
गुड इवनिंग सर। सर मेरा सवाल सर ये है कि जैसे अपन यहाँ पे इंडिया में जैसे अपन रिपोर्टिंग करते हैं, तो सर जैसे हम लोग जैसे सीबीसी या फिर कोई भी और टेस्ट होता है, क्या सेम हम वहाँ से भी वहाँ पे भी करते हैं या फिर मतलब थोड़ा डिफरेंट होता है?
सेम ही रहेगा, मशीन वगैरह डिफरेंट होंगी।
और सर क्या आप मतलब अपने यहाँ क्यूसी भी मतलब सब मतलब क्यूसी के बारे में फुली नॉलेज हो, अदरवाइज और फुली ऑटोमेटेड पे काम किया हो, तो क्या मतलब वहाँ पे भी हमारे लिए अवेलेबल हो जाएंगे सब?
यहाँ आपकी ऑटोमेटेड ही होती है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया हाई इनकम कंट्री है। यहाँ का 1,55 रुपए का इंडिया में होता है। यहाँ हर मशीनरी काम करती है यहाँ पर। तो जो आप इंडिया में काम करो, जो आपने आपको जो स्किल्स है वही स्किल यहाँ भी करनी होगी। और इनिशियली नहीं भी आएगी तो आपको सिखा दिया जाएगा, वो इतने बड़ा बात नहीं है। मेन ये है कि आपको एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए 2 साल का, और डिग्री के बाद में इफ यू आर प्लानिंग टू कम ऑस्ट्रेलिया।
Yeah. So, Charles, if you are there, please ask your question. Charles.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you. My question is there any age limit as to who can apply?
Yes. So there is an age limit for the visa. Your age must be below 45 years of age. 45 maximum age.
Charles, are you there?
Hello,
Khalil, please
I'm
ask
asking.
you to unmute Khalil because you are creating a lot of mess. So I request you to please mute yourself, Khalil.
Hello.
Yes, Charles, please go ahead.
Hello. Yes, please. I'm asking, do you offer immigration assistance? And do you also have any plans for those who have finished writing the NCLEX exams?
Yes, we providing you with the coaching, all those. We'll provide you 80% assistance, even including we have a lawyer here in Mara agent in Australia, Sydney. If you want, we will assist you in that as well.
What about those who have completed the NCLEX exams?
For them, we are not providing. We assist on our own student. Those completed all the process with us, we assist for them. Yes, next.
Yes, yeah. So, Guy Camdame Modze, please come ahead and ask your question. If I'm pronouncing your name right, Guy Camdame Modze, are you there?
Hello. Hello, sir. Good evening.
Yes, Sagar Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, Guy.
completed my
Sagar,
degree in-
please wait. Sagar, your turn will come. You please raise on the button and we will call out your name. Yes, Guy Camdame.
Yes, madam, I'm here.
Yes, please. Yes, please ask your question.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
please
you can ask your question.
Please ask your doubt. Please ask your question.
Hello. Yes, and what's your question?
Which location?
I'm Dubai. I'm currently not working in Dubai now.
Okay, so we are in Sydney. I'm in Sydney, Australia.
Yes, I'm looking forward to come to Australia and continue my nursing career.
So what is your qualification?
I have a diploma BSc Nurse Oncology.
Okay. So you need to write NCLEX exam to come Australia.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Goli Ravi Teja, please come ahead and ask your question.
Hi, sir. Myself, Ravi Teja. Sir, I have a couple of questions for you, sir. Please answer one by one. Sir, how long does this AIM certificate valid, sir?
This is for lifetime. Once you pass this exam, come to Australia. Then every year you need to basically renew. Like in India, we renew our license.
Sir, one more question. How much band is required for AIMS?
7 band. 7 band IELTS.
Sir?
7 band in IELTS exam.
Okay, sir. Sir, one more question. Sir, after passing this AIMS exam, I have to search a job in seek.com or
You need to apply the PR visa.
Okay,
you need to apply the PR visa, come to Australia, then start looking a job.
I have to come there and I have to search for job, sir.
Yes.
From India, it is not possible, sir.
It is also possible from India. You can start from India, sir. But the PR, they are giving you PR visa. Citizenship, they are giving you. You can permanently live and work in Australia. You can change your passport to Australian passport.
Okay. So one more question.
Dr. Akram.
Sir, there are chances. Hello.
Yes, continue.
Yeah, chances of getting job in Australia. Hello.
यार ask continue please. You are
Yeah,
asking half question then you are stopping. Ask full question.
sir, chances of getting job in Australia from India.
Obviously very low. You need to come to Australia. They are giving you the PR visa. Come to
Okay.
Australia and find a job here.
Okay.
If someone already in Australia, they will give them preference first. Those are in Australia.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this is always if you are in Australia, high chance to get a job as compared to India.
Okay. Okay. If I get a PR, it is easy for me.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Kung Sang, please come ahead and ask your question. Kung Sang.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yes.
Hello.
Guys, please wait. I will call your names and then you can come ahead and ask your question. Okay. I request you to please be on mute. Kung Sang, are you there? If you're not there, Mohammed.
I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Please ask your question.
और मैं ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि हम लोग जब ये आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं ना, तो फ्रॉम दैट टाइम हाउ लॉन्ग डज इट टेक टू क्लियर NCLEX?
NCLEX, we will provide you the coaching for 4 months, okay? And immediately you can book the exam, can write the exam. And so it's up to you when you are writing the exam.
और मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट करने से और ये एग्जाम देने का टाइम ड्यूरेशन कितना लगेगा?
अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है एट द एंड, वंस यू पास OSCE, NCLEX प्लस OSCE, देन आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन होता है फुल्ली. बट इन जनरल मिनिमम 6 मंथ और मैक्सिमम 1 ईयर लग जाता टोटल ड्यूरेशन.
ओके. और वन मोर थिंग, ये I've passed my OET last January. So in 2025 ये OET 2 year complete हो जाएगा. So like chance कितना होगा कि like मेरा ये after registration complete होने तक?
ये तो आपके हाथ में है ना. अगर आप आज से चालू कर दो तो जल्दी हो जाएगा. अब आप 1 साल तक आप सोच रहे हो और आप लास्ट ईयर पास किया था, व्हाई यू नॉट स्टार्ट एट दैट टाइम? तो ऑलरेडी आपने 1 साल लूज कर दिया, अब 1 साल बचा हुआ है. तो अगर आप सोचते रहोगे तो टाइम कहाँ बचेगा, फिर तो हो नहीं पाएगा. तो आपको एज सून एज पॉसिबल स्टार्ट करना है. इसमें कोई टाइम फ्रेम नहीं है. देयर इज नो गारंटेड टाइम कि दिस मच टाइम विल टेक एंड कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस. So as I mentioned that we provide you the coaching for 3 months. And once you're ready, then you write the exam as soon as possible. And once you pass the exam, then come to Australia. Then it definitely within 1 year it can complete.
Okay. और ये NCLEX के लिए ATT आने की टाइम कितना लगेगा? Like how many months or days?
Within 2 weeks में आ जाता वो.
2 weeks में. Okay. Okay sir. All right. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Mohammed Salman, please ask your question.
Yes, Dr. Akram.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Dr. Akram, स्किल असेसमेंट के बारे में पूछना था. तो अगर 2 इयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस है तो किस फॉर्मेट में मतलब करना? नॉर्मल फॉर्मेट चलेगा कि कुछ ऑस्ट्रेलियन फॉर्मेट पे चलेगा?
ऑस्ट्रेलियन फॉर्मेट होगा. वो हमारा लॉयर है, वो आपसे सारे डॉक्यूमेंट आपको करवाएगा. आप when you will start the process, बहुत सारे डॉक्यूमेंट चेंज करने पड़ेंगे यहाँ के स्टैंडर्ड के अकॉर्डिंग.
जी. तो उस पे मेंशन जो अगर मेरे लैब इंचार्ज का मेंशन रहेगा तो चल जाएगा ना उससे?
Hello, excuse me, this is Muhammad Salman. Jaysuddin Khan.
Listen यार, एक भाई एक कर लो भाई, ठीक है? एक भाई वो एक से बात चल रही है तो उनके क्वेश्चन सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. उसके बाद जब आपका नंबर आएगा देन आप अनम्यूट करना. तो इसमें क्या होता है, दे मेनली चेक योर जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन. तो जो MLT का जो जॉब है वो अगर जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन इज द सेम, टाइटल चेंज डजंट मैटर, वो आपका काम हो जाएगा.
ओके फाइन. तो अभी मैं कुवैत में हूँ तो डेटा चेक मेरा कंप्लीटेड है, तो उससे कुछ फर्क पड़ेगा अगर डेटा चेक का भी लगाएंगे तो?
उससे तो नहीं कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एक तरह से एडवांटेज ही रहेगा आपके लिए.
अच्छा, अगर उसको पेपर डेटा चेक के लगाएंगे तो एडवांटेज है उसके लिए?
हाँ, मतलब उसको मान रहे हैं कि हाँ भाई एक दूसरी कंट्री में आपकी जो एक्सपीरियंस था, जो आपकी क्वालिफिकेशन थी उन्होंने ऑलरेडी अप्रूव किया हुआ है, तो उनको थोड़ा सा वो रहे कहाँ भी हम भी अगर थर्ड कंट्री में थोड़ा सा आपको जॉब मिलने में भी इजी रहेगा।
ओके फाइन। तो यहाँ का जो मेरा मेडिकल लाइसेंस है उसको लगाना है कि इंडिया की सब लगेगा?
दोनों लगा सकते हैं इंडिया में, बट वैसे वो इंडिया वाला मांगते हैं, आपके होम कंट्री वाला।
अच्छा, इंडिया वाला।
Yes.
ओके फाइन। और जो यहाँ का मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है तो बेटर रहेगा यहाँ का लगा दूं 2 साल का?
यस डेफिनेटली, जितना भी साल लगाओ। 2 साल इंडिया का था।
नहीं, एक्चुअली इंडिया का थोड़ा वेरिफिकेशन में थोड़ा नहीं रिस्पॉन्स देंगे, लेकिन यहाँ का इजी रिस्पॉन्स देने में इजी रहेगा उनको।
ठीक है, तो फिर आप यहाँ का दिखा दो
तो बेटर रहेगा। ओके फाइन।
यस, बेसिकली कम से कम दिखाओ, बिकॉज अगर आपने 3 जगह दिखाया और वो 3 जगह
जी
और उसने ईमेल किया और एक बंदे ने रिप्लाई नहीं किया, तो फिर वो प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी, लॉन्ग टाइम लग जाएगा आपको।
वही मैं आपका अभी को वही सुन रहा था मैं कि मतलब जो वो लड़की पूछी 6 मंथ का पूछ रही थी, तो वही मेरे माइंड में आया कि मतलब यहाँ का 2 इयर्स का लगा दे तो हमारा स्किल असेसमेंट हो जाएगा।
यस, पॉजिटिव स्किल होगा ना। आर यू ऑलरेडी वर्किंग इन कुवैत, राइट? तो आप मैनेजर है, आप उसका वो देंगे, वो उसी को ईमेल करेगा और
करेक्ट
उसी को वो वेरीफाई कर देगा आपका, यस यू आर वर्किंग and your name Dr. Salman this and that, there is a passport number, yes he is working in with us,
Okay, fine.
The job duty, then that's it, काम हो जाएगा।
And one more thing, Dr. Akram, बैचलर ऑफ मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजी से इंडिया से, तो वहाँ पे वेरिफिकेशन के लिए ट्रांसक्रिप्ट तो है, लेकिन वहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट वाइज जो मांग रहे हैं उसका क्या है?
वो सिलेबस मांगना पड़ेगा आपको।
जी
अपने यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेज से सब्जेक्ट मांगने पड़ेंगे, जो वो होता है सिलेबस होता है हर एक यूनिवर्सिटी का।
जी
वो सिलेबस
तो वो आपकी टीम करवा सकती है वो सिलेबस का?
नहीं, हम क्यों कराएंगे भाई, दिस इज योर जॉब। आपने कहाँ से किया, हम कैसे करा सकते हैं? कोई पाकिस्तान से, कोई इंडिया से, कोई दूसरी कंट्री से, हम कहाँ?
नहीं, एक्चुअली क्या मुझे वहां पे जाना पड़ेगा, मैं सोचा कि
नहीं,
आपकी
आपको
टीम
कोई रिलेटिव है, आपको कोई जानने वाला है कॉलेज में, वो आपका ही जॉब रहेगा। हम
तो
उसमें
3 इयर्स का सिलेबस पूरा निकलवाना पड़ेगा मुझे, करेक्ट?
यस, वो यूनिवर्सिटी के अपन वेबसाइट पर भी होता है, तो कोई वेबसाइट पे आपको कॉलेज होगा, जो आपके प्रिंसिपल होंगे वो भी दे सकते हैं आपको।
अच्छा, कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक नहीं है कि वहां पे जाके, मेरे कॉलेज की वेबसाइट पे भी है तो वहां से मैं निकाल सकता हूँ, करेक्ट?
यस
जी करेक्ट है। ओके फाइन। वही मुझे स्किल असेसमेंट के लिए थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन था, इसके लिए मैं आपसे
वो हो जाएगा, उतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स पूरे हैं, मेन एक्सपीरियंस ही है। अगर आपका एक्सपीरियंस और आपकी डिग्री 2 चीज वेरीफाई होगी तो आपका काम हो गया समझो।
जी सर। ओके डॉक्टर अकरम, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Salman. Siamini Omari, please come ahead and ask your question.
Yes, this is I'm from Kenya, and the moment we are heading towards the evening, so I hope wherever you are, Dr. Akram, you are in the evening, or if it is morning or afternoon. I have a couple of questions, and the first question is that do you, as an organization, offer an opportunity for us, the medical doctors and nurses? Actually, I've done my degree in nursing, bachelor's degree in nursing and public health, and I have experience of 3 years experience. Currently, I'm working with the government on a permanent basis, permanent and pensionable. And I've been interested to pursue my journey to US or Australia. And that one requires someone to do NCLEX, the IELTS. Do you offer these opportunities? And then
yes, we offer. We offer documentation process, then NCLEX, including English. We will help you to complete all these documents.
Okay. And then we, as a country, I'm from Kenya, mostly we use English. So I don't know if during the training sessions, the facilitators, the tutors,
no,
they going to
English only.
majorly Indian, and the other languages are being used here, which makes a barrier.
We only use in English during the lectures. But sometimes the student asking the question, for example, some student asking the question in their own language, in Hindi, right? So I'm giving the answer. But in the class, all the sessions going to be in English only.
Thank you. Another question is, when are you planning? Because now we have written our emails and the country code and the numbers, because there could be more questions on when do we start applying? Because some of us have just been eager to explore the overseas journey, and from our country, it is normally a mountain for you to apply for the Australia. And there are a lot of questions about us giving out money for the application. I don't know, 2 million Kenyan money. And then there are a lot of frauds and scams. So I don't know how easy and swift the process can be. But as a person, as an individual, I'm ready and committed to join your organization and work hand in hand. I have all the documents. My license is.
We have some students from African countries.
Yeah.
I don't know. Our manager is here. Arindam is here. Some students already joined us from Africa. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And different courses. We have some students from your countries.
Okay. So for nursing, for someone who is a nursing officer,
not in the nursing. Not in the nursing. They are I think in the pharmacy or the other course, medical doctors.
Okay. So what is the minimum experience that I'm required to have as a bachelor's degree nurse officer?
For you, no experience required, but since you have a 3-year experience, this is good, very good for you. Very easy to get the visa and job.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have when are we going to be contacted through our contacts and emails for further clarification in terms of when to apply, when do we start?
Yes, you just give us your phone number, email in our chat box.
I've already done that.
Yeah, then no need to worry. You just wait. Our team will connect you tomorrow.
Thank you so much. I raised my case.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Siamini. Now, Abhinash Acharya, please come ahead and ask your question.
Okay, hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening. Hi, Abhinash.
Hello.
Yes, Abhinash.
Okay. I'm from Nepal, sir. So I have a couple of questions for you.
Yes.
As you said before, to give exam, you need to have 2 years experience, right? So
your experience for lab technician.
Yeah, I'm talking about lab technician. Your experience to be eligible for exam. So my question is, do we need to have an experience of working in big hospital, medical college, or clinical experience?
No. Doesn't matter. Any small clinic, hospital, or even in a lab.
There are no such criteria, sir?
Yes, there is no such criteria.
Okay. And my another question is, you need to have clinical practice experience or academic experience can also be considered?
No academic experience, only clinical.
Okay, you need to have proper clinical.
In the lab, whether it is a hospital, clinic, or a lab.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Abhinash. Now, Abdul Salam, please come ahead and ask your question.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Alaikum salam.
Sir, I am medical laboratory technician. I have around 13 years of experience, both national and international.
Okay.
So right now, within 10 days, I will get an offer letter of Kuwait. From Kuwait, could I do this process with you, sir?
Yes. Go. I mean, आप कुवैत जाओ, पैसा वैसे कमाओ, और उसके बाद में साथ में ये भी स्टार्ट करो. No problem.
Okay, sir. What would be the fee prospect?
ये इन टोटल 5-6 लाख रुपए लग जाते हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पर डॉलर में फीस जाती है हर एक चीज की, राइट? तो ये इन टोटल इतना खर्चा आपका हो जाएगा, मगर यहाँ पर सैलरी भी इतनी होती है 4-5 लाख पर मंथ की. तो जितना भी आप जितना भी आप खर्चा कर रहे हो, ये 2 महीने में आपका बराबर हो जाता.
Okay, and one more thing, sir. How much period it takes to clear all these things, sir?
Because it is in your hand. ये एग्जाम 1 साल में 2 बार होता है, मार्च एंड सितंबर.
Sir, not about this exam, only aims, sir. I have to clear IELTS. I have to clear.
Actually, it is up to you only. Na? First, you need to pass IELTS, and if you take too much time to pass IELTS, then obviously it will late for you, right? अगर आपने एक बार में ही पास कर लिया 1 मंथ में तो आपको जल्दी हो जाएगा। अब आपने 6 महीने इंग्लिश में ही पास करने में लगा दिए तो ऑब्वियसली हम कैसे टाइम